I took away a couple of very strong messages from yesterday, from technology reports in the Federal Reserve. From the Fed, first of all, no surrender. Jay Powell did not blink and had a very clear message: go to the Hamptons and rest easy for the summer, because he's not about to cut rates. We are not in restrictive territory.
Inflation is running a bit above 2%, as I mentioned, even excluding tariff effects. The labor market's solid, historically low unemployment. Financial conditions are accommodative, and the economy is not performing as though restrictive policy were holding it back inappropriately. So it seems to me and to almost the whole committee that the economy is not performing as though restrictive policy is holding it back inappropriately, and modestly restrictive policy seems appropriate.
And that was despite a double dissent from Michelle Bowman and Chris Waller, the first double dissent in 30 years. You need to ask yourself a question, which is, what is the length of patience? Do you want to own bonds in the eye of tariffs, somewhere between 15 to 18%, a dollar that is off the leash, and a deficit which is being questioned significantly? Rate cut possibilities for September shredded to 40%, and October maybe 80% if you're lucky. Now to the message from the stock market. I would say Meta is really at a Goldilocks moment. Boom went the stock up 12%, revenue up 22%, profits up 36%, and 3.48 billion people like you and me, watching you on this platform. This is about AI advertising and making a meaningful kick into the revenue. And in terms of CapEx, a guidance, $66 to $72 billion. And that's about keeping up with the Joneses. Alphabet spending $85 billion this year. And Microsoft telling us they're going to spend $30 billion in this quarter. That's up 50% from last year. Speaking of which, Microsoft, boom, up 9%. As Satya Nadella says, Copilot, 100 million people are using that now, and 800 million users on their AI platform. I took away a very clearing of the path. No rate cuts, pushing them into the long grass, and oh my gosh, do I wish and hope that my pension fund has a bit of Microsoft and a little bit of Meta.